to thank, syempre, Robinsons Manila, Idol Studios, and, of course, Asterisk Events and Entertainment.
And syempre, sa inyo pong lahat na nandito, maraming salamat po. Your presence mean to us, and special mention daw po kay Aster Kiel. Alright! Isa mga alright dyan? Okay, so hindi lang daw pala si Aster Kiel, pati po si Aster Charlie and Aster Kay.
Love you guys! Okay, ayan, moving on. Ngayon, syempre, given the recent happenings, bagyo and everything, parang kailangan talaga natin maging certified palaban, di ba? Di ba? Ay, nainom po yung partner ko. Certified palaban, di ba?
Yes! Dapat palaban tayo lahat! Tama ba? Dahil dyan, let's go! Palaban!
And of course, don't forget to follow us po sa aming mga social media accounts. Syempre, it's Hias Official, H-I-U-S. And for my personal account, it's Thea.Alcachupas on all platforms.
Mine is Kinsulen_DY on all social media platforms. Once again, thank you very much, and sana nag-enjoy po kayo today. Thank you!